welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Cross-country storm brings significant weekend severe weather threat to the central US. The Fox Forecast Center is monitoring a potent fall, a cross-country storm that will cover 40 states and bring severe weather to the central US and days of heavy rain to the northeast this weekend and into early next week. The storm is currently working its way eastwards through the Rockies after dropping record-setting rain on California earlier in the week and heavy snow in Sierra. The Midwest will see heavy rain by Friday, while the Ozarks and Mississippi Valley will have to contend with a severe weather threat in addition to the rain before the system reaches the northeast by Sunday. The cold front driving this powerful storm brought heavy rain to the Dakotas Thursday morning. NOAA Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe thunderstorms for an area covering parts of Colorado, Nebraska and Kansas through Thursday, with hail and strong wind gusts as the primary threats. The severe weather system is expected to intensify Friday, bringing scattered thunderstorms from Oklahoma to northwestern Missouri in the morning, while bringing a more significant afternoon threat to the Ark-La-Tex region and the Ozarks and the Mississippi Valley late Friday afternoon and into the week. Tornadoes, damaging winds and large hail are all possible, though the exact intensity of thunderstorms on Friday and Saturday will be determined by the amount of daytime heating. Higher afternoon temperatures will increase the strength of the storm later in the day and evening. A large swath of the country from Texas to Ohio will face the severe weather threat Saturday. By Sunday afternoon, the cold front will make its way into the Ohio Valley and interior northeast, with places like Buffalo, New York and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania facing periods of moderate rainfall to close out the weekend. A low-end flash flood risk covers western Pennsylvania, West Virginia and Ohio on Sunday. Heavy rain is expected to persist through early Tuesday, with widespread rain totals of 1 to 2 inches across the northeast and northern New England and localized amounts of 2 to 3 inches of rain possible. In addition, while the main area of low pressure responsible for the wet weather begins to lift into Canada Tuesday, computer forecast models suggest that another area of low pressure may develop, and soggy conditions could linger across parts of New England into midweek. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.